Hi all, this is Surya from Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science and working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development. Today we are going to see about Unit 5 Software Project Management. Topic 3 Risk Management. Risk Management. Risk management is a software engineering, involves identification, assessing, mitigation, monitoring risks that may affect the success of the software development and aims to proactively identify potential problems and implement strategies to minimize their impact on project objectives. Here are some of the components of risk management: risk identification, risk assessment, risk mitigation planning, risk monitoring and control, communication and reporting, lessons learned. Components of risk management. This involves identification potential risks that may arise during the software lifecycle. Categorize various types including technical risk, technology limitation and project risk, organizational risk, risk assessments. Once the risks are identified, they are assessed, their likelihood of the occurrence and the potential impact of the project objective, and such as schedule, budgets, quality, scope. Risks are typically prioritized based on their severity to focus mitigation effect on the most significant threats. Here, risk identification. This involves the identifying potential risks that may arise during the software development life cycle. Risk can be categorized into various types, including different types of technology limitation, complexity, project risk, budget overturn, schedule delays, and organizational risk, resource consistency, changes in requirement, external risk, market competition, regularity change. Risk assessment. Once the risks are identified, they are assessed based on their likelihood, occurrence, potential, typical priorities, severe mitigation effect, and risk mitigation planning. After prioritized risk mitigation, develop reduced likelihood and identify risk mitigation strategies may include avoidance and risk redundance and risk transfer or risk acceptance without taking specific actions. Risk monitoring control. Throughout the software development lifecycle, risks are continuously monitoring to track changes in their likelihood and the impact and to assess the effectiveness of migration measurement. Regular risk reviews and status update are conducted to ensure that the risks are identified properly and existing the risks are evaluated and migration plans are processed. Communication and reporting. Effective communication is essential for risk, both within the project team and key stakeholder. Risk migration effort and contingency plan should be clearly documentation, communicated to ensure stakeholders are aware. Potential threats, the measurement place to be addressed from. Lesson learned. After the completion of the project, a post-modern lesson learned session is conducted to evaluate the effectiveness risk management and effort, identify areas for improving in future project. This feedback loops helps organization continuous improvement, their risk management practices and build institutional knowledge. And here I have given two assessments for your knowledge and based on the topic and explain about risk management, list of components of risk management. Thank you all.